Let us draw the price trend here. As you can go here, let's see what trend it formed from here. If you see down here, and let me unlock so that we can draw. It's not really the trend, but I'm just saying this. It is not a trend. As you see, stiff trip. This is a fake drop we call. So as you can see now, it goes to this, and it will have another drop from here. Because the resistance level is not strong, as you can see, it will still drop because this resistance level is not strong enough. This resistance supposed to touch. If not touching this, it is not a strong resistance. You can see here, you can check. Let's use this also. So as you can see, it dropped from here, 1 point, because this uptrend head and shoulder from here, small head and shoulder, you can see or not, I don't know, but if I make here, you will find it. Look at this you will see here. But in order to confirm this, the trend, as you can see here, from here to here, there is no solid solid confirmations of price right now. You can see this is going to drop some more because this haven't formed any resistance level. If you take from here, the resistance level, this line, we see no solid, because at least it has to form three very strong resistance. So if you see from here, it doesn't show any strong resistance level. I'll just go here. It doesn't show any strong resistance level. So as you can see here, at least it needs 3 strong resistance levels. Here we did not find any 3 strong, just 2, and it is likely to break again. So that's where you don't enter the trade. This part you can enter the trade. Surely these are short level here, another here. So in this area you should not enter, because it is more risky than, if you are a regular trader, you will know how it is risky. So you can see from this part, it may have a drone. I will just show some of the part where we see these things. These are the part you cannot say literally. I have several things. So these are some of the part that you cannot take any risks here. So because there is no exact confirmations, it goes down ups, as you can see here. Look at this. How will you take here? Never enter this part. You will have a huge loss. Another you will see here, even here, okay, and the handle forms. So you have a huge loss this part. So you don't usually trade in this scenario. Because if you are a beginner, you will simply enter without confirmations and you lost a huge money. And you may say like there is a lot of loss in the trading. It's not lots of loss, but yes, it do have, because if you don't understand, it is really difficult. So to make enter, you have to point it out. You have to check everything, where to enter, where not to enter. Here I draw everything, then I say that I'm sure it will go down more, because this trend doesn't break yet. From here goes down, again goes up, again goes down. It's, if you see, this is a kind of from here you can see there's a kind of downtrend. Okay, as you can see here, there's a kind of downtrend from here. So that's why I say this will break. This, it may come up 2-3 steps, it will go down again, because this is not yet complete. But once if you are confirmed this it a downtrend, so you can take a trade this part. So understand something to get into the trade, otherwise huge, you came here to earn money, it's not to lose the money. So you have to be very careful. You have, before you enter, you should be very careful. Alright, in case I will show you how. Suppose if you enter trade here, definitely here you are going to lose. So it has a very short, and after that you are waiting and it drop again, so you lose it. Again you try to enter here thinking that it will go up some more level, and again after going here it drop literally, so you lose your money. So try to confirm the price trend first, otherwise you are not going to earn, you will lose in fact a huge money. So you have to know this part. See here, this is not the perfect place. Of course you can enter a trade here, you make a little south, and again buyers pull it up. This is these are the part that you have to avoid. If you are a beginner especially, these are the part you have to avoid, because if you do these things, you are literally going to lose it. Alright, so, and you have to check this of course it did drop, but there is never this breaking line is there. I'll draw and show you the breaking line here to make for sure confirmations. So you can see here there is a line, this of course this is another breaking line, so this mark as a breaking line. But I will suggest you, for the beginners, you don't simply enter without knowing here. Alright, so you should not enter without knowing here. If you don't know, please do not enter, because if you enter you will definitely be out of the money. You can lose your money. Alright, so don't try to lose your money simply. So you just give like this, you keep checking. See, I told you that time it will drop you another here, it will come up again, it will pop this much and drop it again. So this is what you have to avoid, otherwise you won't know. Even the indicator, we can use several indicator here, but I don't have to use the indicator because I knew the trend. I don't need a down most probably people used to say you need an indicator, you need to do this, that, too many things. But if you use indicators, most of the time it provide a false indicator, and you should be very aware about it, because you think that indicator shows you perfect. Indicator runs with a price trend. So first important things is that you have to confirm the price trend. After that, try to see several times when you trade. You try to trade in the demo account for several times in order to just have a short ideas. After that, you have to find the right time. You should know when to enter, when not to enter. For me, if I enter at that point of time, I can enter here because I can confirm the breakdown here. It's already breakdown here. I can enter. This is the right part I can take, because I can make a little profit till this much, but I will put my stop loss. See how to put a stop loss also you have to know. Here you can use this, alright. So your stop loss is here, you can see. I'll pull it down this. Your stop loss could be, put it around this place. Let's close this. Your target, everything. Let me put it again. So the stop loss for me, I would have put around this place. Look at this. Yes. So you can put here your stop loss. The target is given, stop loss is given. For example, if it's a downtrend, I'll make my entry here, and I'll, my target I will set here. This is the target here. This is uptrend, but I will put this target. I will be targeting around this because I know it will come up to the 18,866. So I will put my stop loss around this place. I will set the stop loss because I will close the trade here. So you clearly should know this you should know the use of all this pattern, long, short. Now this is a long, so let's close it this. Let's go for short. I'll show you everything, let's say for the short. Alright, so if it's the short entry, look at here. Yes, I should put my stop loss here, and my target will be around this place, like, yes, I will perfectly, now it's perfectly fit. So this is how you use this. So you put here your stop loss, and then your target is here, and definitely it's almost reached. Look at this. So it will definitely touch, I knew it, and then boom, you make certain profit. So you have to know certain tactics. Don't simply enter, because if you simply enter, then definitely you're gonna lose. So you should be very careful. Thank you, and see you tomorrow again.